My name is Timothy Loh, and I am a PhD candidate at MIT in the US in the program in History, Anthropology, and Science, Technology, and Society. My research is about different kinds of assistive technologies for deaf people, which have emerged in Jordan in the last 2 decades or so. And this includes both medical rehabilitative technologies like cochlear implants and hearing aids, as well as mobile applications and things like that. So I'm right in the middle of collecting my data for my dissertation. So this workshop really has been a really wonderful opportunity to kind of try out some of these ideas that I've been thinking through, and to think about how to analyze the data and to make the best and most convincing argument. I appreciated definitely kind of the interdisciplinary approach that this workshop brought. So it's interesting definitely to have people from so many different backgrounds, studying so many different things, and having everyone's input on my topic.